In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop receiving messages from someone without blocking them on Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Messenger app. And then once you find a user whom you want to stop getting messages from and you don't want to actually block them, then you just need to swipe to the left at conversation with that user and then hit more. Now there we got a couple of options here, and the first one is mute. We can tap at mute and then we can choose the period of time for which we would like to mute this conversation. We can select from 15 minutes up to 24 hours, or we can choose until I change it. If you select this option, you will simply mute all messages from this particular user, which means that we will not receive notifications about their messages, but this user will be displayed in the list of your conversations, and somewhere here we'll see a circle with a number if there are unread messages in the conversation. However, guys, if you want to completely hide the conversation from this list without actually blocking the user, you need to select here restrict. Once I hit at restrict, it will remove the conversation from this list. Actually, the user is still not blocked, and in this case we can disable all notifications about new messages in this conversation and also hide this conversation from the list. If later on you change your mind and you would like to unrestrict some user, then you need to tap right here at these three lines, then tap at that gear to go to settings. Here, tap at Privacy and Safety, and then select Restricted Accounts. That's where you can easily find all the users you restricted, and then to unrestrict some from here, just tap on them to go to conversation with this user, and down below here, select Unrestrict. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.